Hi friends, it's Wendy with The Wendy Moore, and I am here with my unboxing for July, and I have got so much to go through. And you might notice, the room looks a little funny. We've taken it completely apart, we've laid in new flooring, and we're working our way through some of the other rooms. But I put off as long as I felt I could with sharing my unboxing. If I waited until everything was put away and done, well, it might be another month because this has been a major project. But anyway, we're here. I'm excited because I've got convention products to share with you. I've got loyalty orders to share with you, and I've got my professional order. So let's get started. I've got to put everything where I don't lose it. So we have two loyalty orders in our house. One is my son's, one is ours. And so for my son, Thieves Cough Drops this month, Thieves Household Cleaner, and Thieves Essential Oil. So this was a Thieves box. And I think you all know that Thieves Cleaner in our house is from top to bottom and everything in between. It's the only cleaner that we have. I use it on every single surface in my home, and it smells amazing. The best part is this 14.4 ounce bottle is going to give you approximately 29 16 ounce bottles. So it's highly concentrated. You only need one capful in a 16 ounce spray bottle, and I keep one under every sink in my home. And as I said, it's the only thing we use. If you've not tried it yet, oh my gosh, what are you waiting for? This stuff is the bomb. All right, so that one we're gonna put down because I have no surface to put anything else. And then the next loyalty order is 2 Balance Completes. This is the protein shake that I use every single morning, and I combine it with all my favorite things like spinach, and then I add to that avocado. I use coconut milk as my base, and I like to put a little jalapeno in there, and then I add my oils. I like lemon, peppermint, and also Thieves, 3 drops each, and it gives it a delicious flavor. And then I also add in my collagen. I put my sulfurzyme in there, and let's see there, my MindWise. So it gets a lot of stuff in there, but it's delicious. And I love that I can customize this. So if I don't want to use the spinach, I used it the other day to make my granddaughter an orange sickle. And so we used the vanilla Balance Complete with some orange juice and some extra orange and tangerine and citrus fresh oils. And she said it was the best shake she's ever had. So I'm going to just add these back to the box. We also got lavender hand and body lotion. This is new for me to try. I've usually used the Genesis, so I'm anxious to try it. I can smell it through there. I'm usually not a lavender girl, but I thought this might be really nice at bedtime so that it was calming and soothing after my shower. Let's see, and then we also got our longevity. These are our capsules. There's lemongrass along with the longevity, and it's something that, well, I want longevity, so I'm going to take this every single day. And then we've got some oils. I have a rosemary essential oil, and this one is a peace and calming. This was a freebie for purchasing those items that I just showed you. And then also as a freebie is the aroma bottle. It's a spritzer bottle. So I like to make bathroom sprays in this. You could use it for any type of product that you like to use as a spray. And I think that's it for those. I'm kind of going through these quickly because I've got so much to show you. Okay, and then now we're to our convention products. And we had releases from convention that were really, I think, very timely for us. Our Emu Gummies. The Emu Gummies are using elderberry flower, and then there's lime essential oil in it. Just 2 gummies a day are going to help support your immune system. Best of all, it's vegan. It's also sugar-free. There's no added sugars in this. It tastes delicious, and it's got elderberry syrup in it along with our Ningxia wolfberries. So this thing is going to be your salvation this winter. So don't forget, stock up on Emu gummies for the whole family. And then, let's see, we've got, these are kind of fun. These are our Tropical Tango. This is a hand cream, and they also have a new lip balm. I haven't tried any of it yet. We've been so busy doing the remodel. And then I ordered the green omega 3s. Now, you may be asking yourself, what's the difference between this and the regular omega 3? Well, this is a vegan formula. So in place of using the fish oil to get our source of omegas, we're using algae. And why not? Because when it's sourced from fish, the fish have to first eat the algae in order for us to get the fish oils. And so this is a much more sustainable way of getting those omegas in our system. And it's going to be literally burp free. And that's the thing that a lot of people don't like about omegas, is that they taste them all day long. Not the case when it's the Young Living, and now a brand new formulation that's going to allow our vegans to enjoy the benefits of omegas. Let's see, what else is in here? Oh, yes, our Deep Spectrum. Well, let's see. First of all is our Ignite the Journey essential oil blend from Convention. That was the theme of the convention. That was an oil that Gary had developed, our founder, many years ago, and it had been kind of put away into the archives, and Mary released it for us. Also, for those of you that have been around any time at all, our Valor was previously made with rosewood in the formulation originally. And because of the shortage of rosewood, we had to come up with other blends and formulations to this Valor. But we've got a sustainable source of Valor for our Valor original formulation. So it's back, and I have to say, this one's near and dear to my heart. I absolutely love this one. And then we've got our Deep Spectrum. Deep Spectrum is something that they have been working on for quite a while because of the way the oils are extracted. It was impossible to get some of the heavier oils, and now due to some new scientific breakthroughs, they've got 3 formulations. These are all proof of concept oils. So we're calling it Frank because it is frankincense and sacred frankincense. And this one is, let's see, looking on the bottle to see which one is which. Oh, this one is our coriander sandalwood, and this one is our orange cream. So read up on it. Take a look at what the Deep Spectrum is. Scientific data is in the new Young Living app. So if you haven't looked at it, take a look. They're not available for anyone that was not at convention yet, but they will be coming to us soon, along with some other breakthroughs. So along with my convention products, I also got all the freebies. So I got a kids scent Mighty Vites. This is our children's multivitamin. And with kids going back to school, my grandkids are very excited to get their hands on that. And we also have another spritzer bottle. I got, for each of my loyalty rewards, we got 10 points. That's the equivalent of approximately $10 to spend on future products. And I feel like I'm missing something, and it's very likely that I took something out of that box. But anyway, that's what I've got from convention. And now are my professional account orders. I've explained in the past that professional is something that was offered to those who had a business that resold product, and they have changed the way it works. I understand now it's for high volume professional accounts, but don't quote me on that. So anyway, what I've gotten is I have a massage therapist that uses our V6 in all her massages. So I ordered this for her. And then let's let's see, what have we got here? I think there's, yeah, 2 Super Cow Plus. And I have been seeing my chiropractor. He mentioned that one of the panels of tests that he ran showed that my thyroid was off just slightly. And he suggested that I increase my calcium and magnesium. So I'm now taking 2 in the morning and 2 at night. And the last time I went back in, based on the way I was holding my adjustments, he said it's working. So that's exciting. I also have Agile Ease. And by the way, that's not a thyroid support product, but it happens that the ingredients in it supported my thyroid needs. And also, the Super Cow Plus is structurally going to help support your bones and muscles, okay? So then we've got Agile Ease, and there should be 2 in there, I don't know. Yep, there is. 2 Agile Ease. Agile Ease is another one that I don't want to go without. My husband and I both take it every day for our muscles and our joints. And let's see, then we've got Longevity. I got another bottle of Longevity. Don't want to run out of that. And we also have Prostate Health, which my husband takes each and every day. Prostate cancer is the cause of his father's demise, so he is very diligent with this product. So we got 2 of those, and then these are our Illuminize. Illuminize is the product that helps support our eyes because we are constantly being exposed to the blue rays and the harmful, damaging rays that we don't want. But when we're on our devices all the time, it's inevitable that we're going to have issues with the eyesight. So this supports, and we get 1 bottle each per month. And let's see, this is a bottle of frankincense. Again, the massage therapist uses this in her massages. And this one is, oopsie, this one is lemongrass, which she also uses. So in addition to that, I also stocked up again. These are our monthly supply of our master formula, which is our multi-spectrum vitamin. And these are individually packed. There's 4 in a packet, and 1 is a gel with your essential oils in it, and the other 3 are powdered. I love that they can slip in your bag and go with you anywhere, anytime, and you never have to miss your daily nutrients. With the multi-spectrum, you're going to get far more absorption because of the essential oils that are in those capsules. So it's a wonderful product, and we use it every day. And we're the only ones in our age group that don't see a doctor on a regular basis. We don't take a single prescription, and we are, knock on wood, healthy. So we attribute our wellness to the steps that we've taken through the years to stay above the wellness line. So if you're looking to stay above the wellness line and you need any help picking out products, I'd love to help you. Just reach out to me and we'll get you on the road to better health. Thanks for joining me. I will see you at the end, well, probably at the beginning of September. So you take care, and we'll talk to you soon.